Earlier this year, we told you about some new staffing laws for nursing homes. Fast forward to this month, the state is now giving nursing homes unable to meet those requirements a way to possibly avoid penalties. Erica Costa is following these developments for us today. She joins us in studio now with the very latest. Erica.
Good evening. State officials say some final regulations were approved on December 7th for these staffing laws. The new regulations allowing homes to apply for waivers to avoid fines if they are truly struggling to bring on new staff members. This comes as CMS data for the second quarter of 2022 shows 75% of nursing homes in the state could not meet staffing requirements. It's been a long year for nursing homes in New York State. Jim Klein with Leading Age New York represents 400 non-for-profit and public nursing home providers. He says there's currently around 6,000 available beds in homes across the state, but they can't fill them because they don't have enough staffing.
You know, what does a restaurant do when they don't have enough staff? They close a shift. We can't do that. We have to care for people 365 days. 24 hours a day.
The governor still declaring a state of emergency for healthcare staffing. Klein says the recently published data showing a third of nursing homes violating requirements demonstrates a failure to meet unrealistic goals. But new regulations passed this month could give them more time.
There's a process where a facility can appeal any penalty and make a case that they haven't been able to hire, but we have no idea how the department's going to enforce that.
The fines could be thousands of dollars a day. On the other hand, nursing home advocates with healthcare union 1199 SEIU say they've been fighting hard for these requirements to become law.
There are some good employers who are trying to do the right thing. They recognize that short staffing has always been an issue.
The real challenge is not of finding enough workers. It's keeping those workers who are currently at the bedside and when new workers come in, having them stay beyond a week or two. And members of 1199 created a data tool where you can search specific homes in the state and see how they're meeting the requirements. We will have that linked at our website, rochesterfirst.com. Meantime, Leading Age New York, who you also heard from, is asking the state to raise Medicaid by 20% to help with competitive wages. And they say they will be taking their staffing concerns to court. In the studio, Erica Costa, News 8.
All right, Erica, thank you. A statement from the governor's office today said, quote, Governor Hochul is committed to ensuring nursing homes and long-term care facilities are adequately staffed. While this law only went into effect this month, we will continue to work with these facilities statewide to ensure they can safely and effectively care for their residents, end quote.